Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the front grille of my Toyota Tundra. Okay, to remove the grille, the first thing we need to do is to remove these retainer clips. There are two of them, one on each side of the grille, and also there are 4 10mm bolts. This is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. To remove these retainer clips, you need to lift the center of the clip and just pull. It's very easy to remove this. But if you don't lift the center part of it first, you can break it if you try to pull from the section below. So that's the easiest way. So now I'm going to remove. This one. Okay. Let's see the other one. Okay. This one. Okay. And the last one. Okay, so behind this cap, I don't know what, there is a connector there. So let me see what okay, that's the okay, that's the wiring for the sensor that is located behind the grill, behind the logo. There is a sensor behind this logo. There is it. So first, there is the wiring. Remove or disconnect this plug in order to have the grill out. So this is how it works. Basically, you have to push this side of the clip with your finger and then pull the connector back. So let me show you how to do that. So basically you press the end and pull back, so you can break anything. Okay. The only thing that you have to do now is to basically pull it back to get it out.